Hello everybody, welcome to Unit 5.1. Before we start, let's remember the classroom rules. 1. Sit down properly. 2. Silence please. 3. Pay attention. 4. Raise your hand to talk. 5. Do your best. And number 6. Be respectful. Today we're going to be talking about proper nouns. Proper nouns. So for that, let's look at these two kids. Hi, I am Tim. Tim. And I am a boy. Boy. I am a boy too. My name is Carlos. Boy names all the boys. You can call boy, 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 boy. The word Tim is only for one. It's in specific. And Carlos names only one, and a specific boy. So this is Tim, and this is Carlos. Proper nouns use capital letter. Only the first one, number 1, the letter C, capital letter. For Tim too. All proper nouns use capital letter. Now let's look at this. Let's see at different common nouns. Look at all these plants. If I call this is a plant, and this is a plant, and a plant. So common names are not specific. I can call all of them the same, plants, and they use lowercase. Let's see other examples for common nouns. Teachers. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Ooh. Or men. Men, men, and men. Or doctors. Can be used for woman and men. But let's look again at teachers. Okay? This is a common noun. Let's see a proper noun for teachers. Mrs. Anna. Miss Fernandez. Mrs. Chris. Mrs. or Miss is the title next to the name. Miss or Mrs. is señora or señorita. So Miss and Mrs., when it's next to a name, it uses capital letter too. Let's look at doctors as a common noun. DR is a small way to say doctor. Dr. Elena. Dr. Mock. Because they are proper nouns, because Dr. Mock is only this one, or Dr. Elena is not this, it's this, then it has capital letter and capital letter. Remember, use capital letter when it's a proper noun. Common noun, men, hombres. Proper noun, Mr. Chan. Mr. refers to señor. Mr. Law, and Joe. I'm not saying Mr. Joe because he's a little baby. Okay? For that reason, he's only Joe. Capital letter 1 and 2 for Mr. Chan, Mr. Low, capital letter, and capital letter for Joe. Okay, remember that you can also use proper nouns for watches. A watch is un reloj. Look at this. A watch and a watch. But if I say I want a Rolex, then this is it. And if I say Apple Watch is this one. So Apple has a capital letter and Rolex too. Because they're specific. Watch is not specific. Okay? Same as in restaurants. Look at this. If I say a restaurant, this is a restaurant, restaurant, restaurant. But if I say McDonald's, this is McDonald's. How about if I say KFC? KFC, that's the name of a specific place. This is what we have worked in our notebook, and it says that proper nouns is a specific noun and use capital letter and can be a person, a place, or a thing, and that common nouns is not a specific noun, does not use capital letter, and can be a person, a place, or a thing. That's it. We finished. Great job, kids. You're doing really good. And practice. Remember, proper nouns, just capital letter. Common nouns, no capital letter. See you in the next class.